Salutum here. We deliver videos to help increase your wellness. In today's video, we're going to make a red lentil, chickpea, and sweet potato recipe. It's all vegan, it's very healthy. Stay tuned till the end. Let's take a look at what's in this recipe. We have 15 to 16 ounces of chickpeas, 4 to 5 sweet potatoes, 1.5 cups of red lentils, 2 cups of brown rice, 1 chopped medium yellow onion, and then your choice of whatever spices you want, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I have cumin and cinnamon, which are going to go on the chickpeas, and then 1 vegetable bullion, and then 28 ounces of crushed tomato. First, we're going to roast our chickpeas, so take a cookie sheet with some parchment paper and spread them out, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then our spice mix. I added cinnamon and then also cumin to this mix, and then you want to just make sure that it's evenly coated as much as possible. I also added the cut up sweet potatoes just on the same cookie sheet so it's easier, and then added the other tablespoon of olive oil to make it a lot easier, and then also mix that up and make sure it's evenly coated. If you did want to add some spices, you could also do that too. I just chose not to. And then go ahead and put this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to start sauteing the onions, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water to do that. I like to avoid adding oil if possible, and then I'm going to saute the onions for about 5 to 10 minutes until they soften up a bit. Once the onions are a little bit softer and they seem ready, I'm going to go ahead and add in the lentils. And it's a little bit difficult to get them out if you've washed them and they've been sitting out. But you do want to make sure that you wash the lentils to make sure that they are clean. I added 1.5 cups of red lentils, so I'm going to add 4.5 cups of water, and then I'm going to stir that so it's mixed pretty well, and let that simmer, and I'm going to keep watching over it. It'll take probably about 20 minutes or so to fully cook. You'll know when it's done when the water is almost all absorbed in the lentils. And then I'm getting my water ready for the brown rice. I like to boil my water first and then add in the brown rice. And then I'm going to let that boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. I added my vegetable bouillon in to give it a little bit of flavor and mix that all up. And then after it's done boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm going to let it simmer with the lid covered for about 45 minutes or so. But definitely check the instructions on your brown rice package. It does vary. I'm going to go ahead and check on my lentils, and it looks like a lot of the water has absorbed. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a moment. First, I'm going to add my spices, and you can add whatever mixture you like. I have some curry powder, some garlic powder, some dried cilantro, and I think some cumin too. This is a very versatile dish, so you can really add whatever you would like. And I took the sweet potatoes and the chickpeas out of the oven. First, I'm going to go ahead and just add the sweet potato first and mix it up, and then I'm going to add the chickpeas after. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. As you can see, it kind of looks like a big mush. It doesn't look too pretty, but it does taste good. And then I'm going ahead and adding the tomato sauce, or I like to use crushed tomato sauce because I feel like it gives it a better texture. Sometimes the tomato sauce is a little bit too liquidy for my taste. And then you can see what it looks like now. It's definitely more hydrated with the tomato sauce. I'm going to give a few shakes of sea salt and then also some pepper to taste. If you prefer, you can definitely do that too. Just a little bit more mixing to make sure everything's incorporated. And the brown rice is about done too, so I'm going to put the lid on this and everything should be all set. Here we have the finished product. I'll zoom in on this so you can take a look. It's not the prettiest looking dish, that's for sure, but it tastes really, really good. I'd say it makes between 4 to 6 servings depending on how big or small you want to make them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did get a chance to make this recipe or you're thinking about making it, please let me know in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and take care. Bye.